I would recommend definitely the spa. For hike for today.
We're all fired up, we're tangled up, we're enmeshed to the point of messed up. As the days keep rolling on, we're living in hell again. I still hold you in my arms when these days have been and gone. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. As time goes by, we keep heading on. Circles never letting go, never letting go. As time goes by, we keep heading on. Circles never letting go, never letting go. Round in circles, never letting go, never letting go.
Okay, we're on the top, and what do you think about the view for our hike for today? I think it's actually quite stunning.
We're still so far from home. It's like we're burning into embers. As the fire burns the cold world. As the days keep rolling on, we're living in hell again.
We're gonna give you guys a song.
Give me kind
We'll have to dedicate this song to each and every brother in the house for coming here together. This one for you. Hey! Austria.